So, guys, when I started teaching GATE Aerospace, I started teaching aerospace engineering for GATE preparation, uh, first I started with my own juniors and my own friends because I was good in basics and I used to do self study and I used to read books and I had gone through the syllabus properly for aerospace department and uh, because my basics were good than other students whatever they were studying with me I was somewhat good in basics and my concepts were good in physics chemistry and something, so I started teaching them and this is how I started my journey for this thing. So actually this year, after it's been 7 years, right? So so in this session, like for 2022, if whoever has taken admission for this, so I want to share my happiness that I got 100 plus admissions this year for GATE Aerospace, and thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for showing your interest in my teaching. And I want to say you one thing: every single student what I have got, they all are from YouTube. I mean, they visited my channel, and after that they contacted me, and after that in like long back when I started this session for 2022, it was Feb month. So month, March month, April month, many students they came for a demo class, and after that they joined my class, right? But again, one more thing: many students they did not join my class even after demo class because they were looking for live classes, I mean offline classes. But because of COVID, because I stay in Chennai, so I could not run my offline coaching center. But really, I'm telling you, now I am more comfortable in online class, because in online class my reach is more. My reach is more means you can see like whoever has taken admission from any state, you can be from anywhere, you can be, and you can attend my class on Zoom, right? So if you are watching my video for the very first time, if you are totally unaware who am I, so you should know that I have qualified GATE Aerospace 5 times, and I'm teaching aerospace department for GATE preparation for last 7 years, and this is my seventh year, and see all the things are going on. And to know about my courses, what are the courses I am giving you, I will just put one a link in my description. That link I'll put as a 5K offer course. And like if you are planning to take admission in September got over, right? Today is November, October started. So I have course for 5K, 10K, and 15K. Okay, if you'll be joining in Feb month and March month, then I have courses for 35K also. But now, because only 3-4 months are remaining, so you should join these courses: 5K, 10K, and 15K. Okay, let's talk about the advice. What I want to say here, guys, see, because I have got now 100 plus students, so I feel more responsible about my result this year, because if I will give maximum result, then again next year more and more students will come. And thank you to those students who shared my video link to your friends, and who promoted my institute at their level. Like how a student can promote, they will only share, they will only talk to their friends, right? So thank you so much for all those things whatever you have done in last few months. And because of your promotion only and because of your trust only, I have got 100 plus admissions. There is no doubt in this. Okay, and this entire credit goes to my students, whoever they loved me, they supported me, right? Now see, guys, uh, you see, I want to talk about that. Yeah, and one thing, I really promise to work hard 100% for the 100% result, right? And now listen, you should follow what I am saying to complete. Now I have two types of student. So one type of student, they are in my regular classroom batch, and one type of student, they have taken correspondence course. Correspondence course means they have taken my video course, study material, test series, and they are doing study by themselves. Okay, and there are, so like I will give the link in my description, and you can watch the link, and you will be beneficial for that for sure. And you can contact me on WhatsApp for admission if you are looking for. My personal number is +916380135260. Don't call me directly, first give me a WhatsApp message, and after on WhatsApp I'll give you some details, and then okay, now come back to the point, what advice I am talking about. See, guys, many students are very young. Very young means they are preparing GATE exam for the first time. Okay, many students are like not appearing for the first time, they are appearing for the second time, but their second time is like a first time, because in first time they could not learn anything, they had no idea, they simply applied for GATE exam and they got some I mean they are not qualified, or they got some rank what they want, what they don't want to discuss, right? I mean very bad rank. So second attempt, if you are in that kind of second attempt category, or you are very beginner first attempt, then this advice is especially for you. I will tell you, see guys, GATE exam is like when you are preparing GATE exam for the very first time, then you will not be having any idea, I am telling you any idea. Then mostly what happens, people roam on YouTube and they go with the toppers interview, and this is what I want to aware of, I want you to understand this part. Actually see guys, there is difference between a teacher's advice and a topper's advice. Seriously, I am telling you, topper's advice can be genuine advice, or it can be totally fake advice for show off purpose. Now I'll tell you why. See, and teacher's advice, like my advice, because I am a teacher, I am taking classes for GATE Aerospace, so it is my responsibility to make 100% result for damn sure. So whatever advice I will give you here, you should follow me. You should understand what I'm saying and why I'm saying. I have so many years of inputs and I have so much experience. That's why I'm giving advice, and you should follow that advice. I'm not forcing you to follow advice, because already if you are my student, I'm teaching you in the same way what you have to do, what you have to follow, right? Now come to this point. This is my main thing, like you should follow topper's advice or not. I will tell you what. See guys, after being topper, a person can blabber anything. A person can tell you that he has or she has done these things. Okay. See guys, actually preparation, when we do preparation, preparation is based on two things. Okay, the content you study and the time in which you prepare the content. Okay, now I will tell you, when a topper is being topper, then in his interview session, he or she may say that he prepared for 1 month, he prepared for 1 year, he prepared for 3 years, something he can say. Okay, so what happens, because your brain is very young, so if you watch these kind of videos, then there is chance that only that idea will get stuck in your mind and you cannot understand that what is your capacity. I am trying to say here, every flower is different, lotus is different, and rose is different. When you see any topper's interview, then what should you see in that interview and what should you learn from that interview? See, only you should learn that what are the books, not they have followed, the name only. If they will say that, okay, I have followed this book, I have done these numericals and blah blah things, you should not trust them. You should watch that video just as a video. That thing should not stuck in your mind that, okay, only this is the way to crack GATE exam and only this is the way to become topper. See, every topper is being topper in different situations. Everywhere we have first rank, everywhere we have top 10 toppers, right? Every top 10 topper story is not same. They all are different flowers, and you are a different flower with your own capacity, with your own potential, right? You are already gifted. Now what I'm trying to say here, you should watch toppers video, there is no problem in that. You should follow their advice, there is no problem in that. But that is only the way, there is a problem. That is not only the way. Now I'll come to the point. See guys, I am simply trying to say that if someone is saying that, for example, just example, Radha Krishnan, the full name is Ethirajan or Ethirajan Radhakrishnan, E Radhakrishnan we say, E Radhakrishnan book for gas dynamics. Okay, now there is another book, Zucker for the gas dynamics. Now some people will tell you, like I'm talking about the topper, or sometimes what happens, you don't even know from whom you should get the advice, and the person can be your senior or the person can be anything, and he can bluff with yourself just because he know some 2-3 books for the particular subject. He can do anything, he can give you any advice, and because you are young. See, this video is not for those students who have their own sense, who have their own sense means already they have worked out, already they know that okay, what is the path, what is the way to clear GATE exam. This video is not for them. This video is for very beginner students who have just started this. Okay, and if you are watching this video, it will be good if you will share to those nibas nibis, I mean those students who are just planning to take GATE exam. And if you are planning to take 2023, then you should definitely contact me. Okay, now so I will come to the point. If you have gas dynamics book, someone is saying that, any topper is saying that, I will specifically mention any topper is saying that he has completed every single question of Radhakrishnan, then immediately what message will go in your mind? Okay, I also have to finish this Radhakrishnan completely. Okay, or someone is saying that I don't even know what is Radhakrishnan, I have finished Zucker, every single question. Then your idea will go to that, okay, Zucker is the best book and I should follow Zucker. Now see here, I hope you understand what my logic. My logic is, when you are doing self-study, then definitely you have to suffer with these things. Which book is good, in a particular book, how much you have to study, how much you have to leave, right? What kind of advice you should believe, what kind of advice you should not believe. So if you are following a teacher's advice or any coaching center's guidance, any coaching center, my coaching center or other coaching center, no problem, they all are working for their success and for the student success. So all the coaching center, all the teachers will give you right advice. At the same time, I will suggest you to join my coaching center, and I have very costly and very cheap courses, and you can take according to the remaining time. Okay, now come to this point. If topper is saying I have followed gas dynamics complete numerical, every single numerical I have followed, so you should know that it is actually not important, it is actually not mandatory. Okay, if someone is saying that I have completed Anderson book for aerodynamics completely, then again I will tell you, this is not mandatory, this is not important to crack GATE exam. I will tell you, you should know in this way. There are so many ways to become topper, to become in top 50 or to become in top 20. If you will check out the data, out of 100 marks, if you are crossing 60 plus, then you can consider your rank in top 50, or if paper is very tough, you can consider in top 10 or something, right? If you are 60 plus, if you are getting 60 plus marks, already you will be in top 50. 60 plus marks means from where you can get the 60 plus marks. I will tell you. In part A, you have, actually this is a different discussion to bother about the marks. I just mean to say that when topper, I will make the video separately for this. If topper, otherwise discussion will go in different way. If topper is saying I have done this, you can follow that if you have that availability of time. Okay, if you don't have availability of time, then develop your sense and try to understand every exam has a particular way to crack. But to achieve that way, you can follow any routine. Already I have made a video on 16 hours routine, right? But that 16 hours everyone cannot follow. So in your time limitation and in your potential, whatever is comfortable for you, that will be responsible for your success. Okay, suppose you are having only 4 hours in a day, but someone is saying that no, minimum 6 hours you have to study. If any topper is saying that I have studied 6 to 8 hours in a day, and that's why I have got this rank, first rank or top 10 rank or top 20 rank or top 50 rank, it's and you are thinking that no man, I am able to give only 4 hours, then how can I be topper? Guys, you should understand one thing. Okay, just imagine one thing. If there is a normal shockwave numerical and you have done the theory based on normal shockwave, completely you have done the theory, and directly you are going to the GATE exam without solving any example, then it's up to you that if you have understood the theory very well, and if you have understood the formulas very well. For example, if you know that P2 by P1 is equal to 1 plus 2 gamma by gamma minus 1 m square minus 1, if you know this formula, then using this formula, if you have not practiced any simple question, any question, but you know the theory and you know the formula, then directly in GATE exam you can solve the formula if you are that kind of student, right? So it means what? then you will develop your theory that okay, I did not practice anything, I only revised my theory, and I only saw the formulas in detail, and then just I applied for the gate exam, and I took my gate exam, and I got this rank, and now I am into IIT. Okay, but at the same time someone will work on the normal shockwave, and they will work on 15 to 20 numericals, and after that they will solve a lot of test series, and then they will attend the gate exam, and then they will be getting gate rank, then their theory will be this. So now you should recognize what theory works for you. As I told you in the beginning, two things matters. One is content, like what you are studying. You should know that whatever you are studying, it is worth for gate exam or not. And the next thing, the time. In how much time you are finishing that, or if you have, see guys, one thing, try to understand. There is a limited content meant, if you will purchase my video course, or now because time is very less, so it is advisable to purchase my video course, or if you are joining my crash course, then that time you don't have to bother about what to study, what not to study, because I will guide you. But if you are doing self study, then the content what you have to study, that will be having some size, and that size is being fit in 3 months or 2 months or something. You understand, right? So it depends on you. There is a particular topic. In this topic you have 10 examples, and do you want to solve 10 examples, or only 2 examples are enough? And how will you know that okay, which 2 examples are enough, right? So you see, toppers advice can be genuine, can be fake. Truly I am saying, it can be genuine, it can be fake. Who knows they have done that much hard work or not, or who knows whatever they are saying, they did totally different, and now in the video they are saying totally different. Okay, so I am saying every flower is different. You have their own way, and you have their own potential, right? What more I want to talk? I like mostly students, actually why I am coming up with this video, because my own students, sometimes they text me on WhatsApp, my own regular class students. Sir, I watched this video of this topper, and he said that he has done that, sir, but you are not saying us to do that. Do you understand what kind of doubt they are getting in their mind? Because they are young minds, they really don't know that what to do, what not to do. Even though after joining my coaching center, sometimes they used to have the doubt, sir, this topper is saying that they have done this, but sometimes people take test series very seriously. See guys, as an institute, I definitely I sell test series also. But personal level, if you will talk to me, that at personal level, I never believe in test series, because this test series fashion is recent fashion. From last 6, 7, 10 years, the test series fashion is coming into picture. Okay, before that there was no concept of test series, but still toppers were there, still good concept students were there. Actually, see, you have to practice test series. It will be having a different impact on your preparation. Okay, see guys, I will tell you, if this is the height of the wall, and if I am saying that okay, run and jump the wall, so you can jump the wall or not, already you know. Okay, already you know you can jump the wall or not. Suppose I am talking about normal shockwave numericals. If you have done normal shockwave in your college life, or if you have done normal shockwave in your self study, then you don't have to solve test series on normal shockwave. Okay, now one more thing, who makes test series? Like in my case, I make test series. Every single question I make, and I give the solution after every question. So if you are preparing with the help of test series, then definitely it is helpful. But again, I am saying test series is not mandatory to become topper. When you solve test series, in the test series, some people talk like this: no man, we have to solve test series because we learn from test series. So see guys, here people are learning from test series. They are not testing themselves by giving test series, right? Some students say that I am taking test series because I will practice the mouse, and I will practice the online calculator. Okay, so for this purpose also, you don't have to purchase test series in my coaching center. You don't have to purchase from my coaching center. You simply download the mouse in your laptop or mobile phone. I mean the application that online test series calculator, and you can practice every day. You wake up and 1 hour you do some log, you do some sine cos tan, you do some algebra with this calculator. Again, automatically the practice will be done. Okay. So try to understand the logic. Test series is having its own advantage, but test series is the key of success or it is mandatory? No, it's not like that. Okay, if you know any theory and if you have done some calculation based on the theory, then you only have to practice the online calculator, that what is the role of which button. And if you will practice that online calculator very frequently, then you will be habitual. Like in college calculator, if you are using 991 ms or 991 es, then role of every button we know very well, right? So that is the point. I hope you are getting my logic. Okay, now point. See, whenever you are watching any toppers video, you watch, you get some inspiration, and go ahead. You should make your own way. You should understand like how you are going to study. Whatever time you have to involve into that time. You should make your schedule. Like in that 16 hours video, I told that you should start at 4 a.m. You should start. No, it's not mandatory. It is a challenging part. If you can give 24 hours for your study, then you should follow this. Definitely you should follow this. But if you are a working person, or if you are involved into some other coaching center and if you are following my videos, but if you are university student, you are in third year final year student, you are not free for 24 hours, in that case you will be knowing better way when can you find time, and in that time slot you have to finish the syllabus. One more thing, very important thing. 2022 exam I am expecting either on 5th or on 6th. Aerospace will be there. Okay, aerospace department. So Feb I'm talking. So 5th or 6th. Just imagine one thing. Suppose there are 120 concepts. Just imagine there are 120 concepts. What we have to prepare for aerospace 2022. Just imagine by December month you finished 100 concepts, and just imagine exam is on 5th Feb 2022. Just imagine on 4th Feb you finished all 120 concepts. It means what? After finishing the entire concepts, you are equal to those students who are preparing from last 2 years, because now they also know 120 concepts and you also know 120 concepts. Now what matters? Okay, when I'm saying that 120 concepts, it means I'm saying for the complete preparation. It's not like just a book reading of those 120 concepts. Okay, so if you are ready before time, it means you are giving the same competition to everyone, and everyone is giving same competition to you. Okay, don't even think that if you are preparing in the last 3 months, you cannot be equal to those students who are preparing for 2 years or who is preparing for from 1 year. Already I have made this video. You watch my complete playlist, right? I am releasing video very frequently, almost every day, for gate preparation. It's like simply you can watch my video for 10-15 minutes, and every day it will be like gate talk. Like gate talk means we will talk about aerospace preparation and some basic. It's nothing. Whenever for example you are eating or you are about to sleep, that time you can watch my videos, these kind of videos. So you will be in touch with my guidance, right? I am saying that maybe if my video is for 10 to 15 minutes, but all the 10 to 15 minutes is not worth, but maybe one sentence may hit you, or maybe one logic may be worth for you. I'm not saying the entire 20 minutes video will be helpful for you, but maybe there can be one logic what can hit you. There can be one example what can give you peace of mind, right? I hope you understand me. And again, thank you so much for 100 plus admissions, and thank you so much for your support, because I have got 2000 plus subscribers also, right? So without your promotion or without your support, this was not possible. See guys, actually it is mutual, because I am teaching in very good way. That's why you are subscribing my channel. Otherwise there are so many channels, you will just watch the video and you will just leave the video, right? You will not subscribe the channel. But you are subscribing the channel because you don't want to lose the next video, right? So I respect that, and thank you so much for this subscription also. At the same time, because I know I teach good, so that's why I'm getting subscribers. And next thing, same goes with the admission, because I know I am a good teacher. Okay. And after watching my videos, like you should go to different playlist, and you should watch my videos, and you should join my coaching center also. You can purchase my video courses also, like a lot of things. I will just give you the 5K video course in the description box. You watch that video, again you will be knowing a lot of things about me, right? And I think that's all. Just keep watching the videos, and regularly we will talk like this. And we will, because until your gate exam you need someone to talk about small things, right? Okay, thank you so much.